Hello everyone, my name is called Nyanzi Steven, and today I'm going to explain virtual machines and how business can use them to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Uh, First of all, I would love to describe what a virtual machine is, or explain what a virtual machine is. And a virtual machine or a VM is essentially a software-based computer that runs on a physical computer, which we call the host machine. So a physical computer is the host machine, and a virtual machine, it's like the guest one. It's the one that they bring in. So the physical computer, like a laptop, it is the host. So it hosts the virtual machine, and so the virtual machine runs on its own guest operating system, independent of the host, and uses a program called hypervisor. So we are going to talk about the hypervisor just as we record this. And so the hypervisor manages resources like CPU, memory, and storage. But there are some components of a virtual machine, and I would love to explain these components, and they include a hypervisor, and here we are going to also learn about the hypervisor as well. So first of all, we have the first component we have is the guest operating system. This is the OS installed on the VM. It behaves like it's running on a real computer. And then we have a virtual hardware. Virtual hardware, everything a normal computer has: virtual CPU, RAM, hard drives, and network adapters. So this is a virtual hardware. So everything that a normal computer has. So it explains it more. And this is the hypervisor, as we talked about it earlier before. So the hypervisor is just the software that allows multiple VMs, or like virtual machines, to run on the same host computer safely and efficiently. Together, these components let a single physical computer run multiple operating systems at the same time without conflicts. In business application, business can leverage virtual machines in many ways. Testing and development. Sorry about that. Testing and development. So when we talk about the testing and development, companies can safely test new software or updates on a virtual machine, risking the main system. So the cost saving, we shall talk about cost saving. And instead of buying a multiple physical computer, businesses can run multiple virtual machines on a single server, saving money and hardware energy. Another thing is disaster recovery. Virtual machines can be backed up easily. If a virtual machine fails, it can be restored quickly, minimizing downtime, as we talked about it in the previous videos. Running multiple operating systems. Employees can use different operating systems on the same computer to meet software requirements without buying extra devices. So it helps to utilize our resources that we have. If you have small resources, the virtual machine can come in, and then it helps you to minimize resources. Depending on the computers that you have, you can run even the server, because on one server you can run a lot of computers, and this really saves. It's very, very important. And for example, now a software company could use virtual machines to test an app on Windows, Linux, and Mac, all on the same physical machine. In summary, virtual machines let business save costs, improve efficiency, and safely test software by using virtual machines. Companies can run multiple operating systems, recover from failure quickly, recovers from failures quickly, and reduce hardware expenses. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this gives a clear understanding of virtual machines work and why they are useful in a business setting. Once again, thank you very much for watching these videos. Much love.